Special delivery.
Careful. Careful with this stuff.
That's a pretty cool idea. Put the noodles.
That way they don't stick, they don't bounce, they don't roll.
That's awesome. What'd you bring?
Brought you stress management.
What?
Stress management.
Halloween squishy stress balls. What? No way. Was this your idea? Yeah? Totally took credit for it. He's like, yeah, it was. Guys, the fence is here. I'm so excited. What? All right, guys, so Fred and Thomas are leaving. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. He just brought the fence. We got it all up. We've been just reminiscing and bullshitting about the haunt. And just completely talking about the haunt and everything. And his haunt, he's actually gonna have a night where it's like friends and family coming up here. I think he said the 26th. So I'm excited to try to go to that. But guys, look at this fence. It is so cool. I think Julie did a video. I asked her to do a video of us installing it, but it's like these individual posts. It's super easy. It's just a stake in the ground. You slide this over and then attach the fence panels. And he did such a cool job on this. And it really completed that look of trick or treat. Did it not, or what? All right, guys. Got a little bit more to do, but it is really coming along. Hope you guys are liking it. Get your haunt on.